I'm Ashlyn.
And I'm Zach.
And this is Sierra, and we're traveling A to Z.
Join us as we go to Christmas at the Ranch in the cute little town of Santa Margarita on the central coast of California. In 2025, this event was named number 3 in the nation out of 15 nominees for the best Christmas train ride in the United States. We're currently in the city of Santa Margarita. We're doing the Christmas train ride, so we're excited to check it out. This train ride's only been going on for about 3 years. Christmas at the Ranch is an annual event that started in 2023. It runs from after Thanksgiving through the middle of December. You have to buy tickets online because there are no walk-in admissions. Your ticket not only gives you a ride on the Pacific Coast Railway, it will also get you in to meet Santa, see the holiday craft stations, the vendor markets, food trucks, snacks, and treats. There are multiple food trucks and snack vendors on site ranging from pizza, hearty soups, tacos, smash burgers, and much more. There's a few different sitting areas where you could eat at. They have fire pits, and in the barn they have heaters with seats and tables. A little past the food trucks, they have pony rides available for kids 2 years to 12 years of age. Sierra's gonna go on a pony ride. It's $15 for a pony ride, and she's so excited. Oh my gosh, Sierra.
Yes, good girl.
You guys can walk around with us.
Okay.
Just walk around on this side.
Cinnamon! Are you having fun, Sierra? Sierra was taken around the arena around 3 times. It was approximately a 5-minute ride. At the end of the ride, we were also able to take some pictures with a backdrop. The marketplace holds the bar and the holiday vendor market where visitors can browse and purchase locally made goods, crafts, and unique gifts. You get a free cookie with your little train ride.
Thank you.
Ooh.
That one looks pretty good.
In the marketplace, they have an area where they sell alcoholic drinks that are themed for the holidays. On the other side of the marketplace is where they have the handcraft artisan goods. There's jewelry, leather goods, candles, unique gifts, 3D objects, and much more. Outside, there's also lawn games like cornhole and bocce ball available. Oh, look at the little fires! S'more bar. We're now heading to the barn, which becomes Santa's barn. This is where guests can meet Santa, and there's a whole bunch of sitting areas where you could sip hot cocoa and gather for activities. They also have magic shows in here.
Mama.
Look at Mama. Yeah, you're shaking your belly. Good girl.
They have a fun little Santa section in the big barn, so it's a little warmer. Really cute. The Santa's awesome.
In the distance, you could see the cute little light maze. So you get your tickets at the train depot. I got our tickets!
As a reminder, everyone must have a ticket. If you still have your electronic ticket, please visit our ticket booth. We'll be happy to exchange them. There's no food or drink allowed on the train.
Take a seat! Right there, okay. You excited, Sierra? We are gonna ride the Jingle Bell Express. It is a steam engine train, and we are riding in the old Disney cars, which were from the 1950s. How fun. This is about a 2-mile kind of train ride that we're gonna go and check out. And there's supposed to be lights along the whole train ride. It's a super, super big train. And Sierra's super excited. Did you see Santa? Yeah, what did you ask Santa for Christmas?
Baby
dollhouse.
You want a big dollhouse from Santa?
He's waving.
Fish, look! He's fishing! There's the tunnel! It is a different tunnel. It's not a dark one. It has lots of lights. Santa's workshop.
Yes.
Elves, look at those! They're running.
They're running. It's Santa's workshop.
Oh, look at the elves in the workshop.
Want to wave? Wave. Wave at them. Bye.
They're throwing gifts. Santa's workshop. This is a fun little train ride. It's only about a 15-minute train ride around, but a lot of fun. It's cute. If you want to see the airplane, sit on the left side, but most of the other lights were on the right side. So it depends on what you want to see. They have a barn that has Santa, and then they also have a little market. They have drinks and food. A lot of fun in this area. I definitely recommend checking it out. A really cute thing to do if you're on the Central Coast. I hope you enjoyed Christmas at the Ranch in Santa Margarita with us. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures. There it goes!